The wonders of fragile wings. A subtle breeze emerged into the pockets of streams, connecting our lands apart, leading towards the emergence of a precious life that sustains the majority of the biodiversity, the understory. Shrubs, herbs, grasses, from mosses to lichens, are the elements of understory that live rent-free under the dense canopy layers. Enriched with diverse flora and fauna, these intricate associations not only form a habitat conducive for the evolution of species but also renders both food and income for many local communities. Two-thirds of the known organisms in the world comprise of insects. In comparison to other species, their abundance is widespread and enormous among the layers of understory. A vast portion of the human diet and economy depends upon insects. Being primary producers and strong association with vegetation, insects are one of the enigmatic species in an ecosystem. They form an integral part of our life, from the food we consume every day to the last sip of coffee to relieve the stress. Insects work effortlessly to fulfill our needs as prime architects. Now one might be wondering how. Pollination. While hovering and sipping nectar from one flower to another, pollinators such as bees, moths, and butterflies unknowingly pollinate both plants and crops, and are also primarily responsible for the rich floral diversity we witness today in nature. But lately, they are facing massive threat due to increasing human-induced activities. Grazing, forest fires, invasive species, and excessive logging in search of forest produce, leading towards disturbed canopy and poor understory, further affecting their groups but majorly the pollinators, butterflies. Adjacent to Shanivarampeta and Oddad village in Jagityala district, Tirumalapur Reserve Forest of Telangana state was facing such problems. Being the only connectivity among the two villages, local communities regularly relied on the forest resources and were happily coexisting with the wildlife of the reserve forest. But livestock grazing, a common agricultural practice, and invasive lantana camera was found to be the primary cause for affecting the understory in the Tirumalapur forest. Unaware of the butterfly diversity it holds, the enchanting forest of Tirumalapur was always underappreciated by the locals. Although their values were known to the locals, but the superstitions were not.
బటర్ఫ్లైలు మాత్రం ఉన్నాయి పట్టుకొని డబ్బాలో వేస్తాం బూగలను బటర్ఫ్లైలు పెట్టుకుంటాం పైసలు వస్తాయి.
Flapping their fragile wings with pollens embedded on their body, Sitakoka butterflies provide some important values to our ecosystem. Regarded as a symbol of peace, they signify the true essence of Mother Nature. With a fascinating life cycle, their transformation from a crawly caterpillar to developing a striking wing pattern, they are indeed among the known wonders of nature. Puddling in moist areas to find their potential mates or distracting the predator eyes, butterflies have inherited some excellent camouflage skills. Whether to assess an ecosystem health or to investigate the use of pesticide on agriculture, they serve as model organisms and indicator species in both education and scientific field. However, when it comes to insect migration, their journey from woods to grassland always generates a curiosity among scientists and naturalists. Floating and basking through floral meadows with their warmth, they fill colors to our exhausting natural world. Butterflies are of paramount importance for the long-term sustainability of our ecosystem, but are often neglected in comparison to other charismatic species. Hence, to enrich our present and future health of the ecosystem, conservation of these hidden jewels is a must. Like butterfly effect, small changes can have a tremendous impact in future. The disappearance of these fragile wings will lead towards the loss of our environment.